Okay, hey guys, it's Popsicle324 and I'm back with another video. I'm here with Kitty Lolo, so say hi. And yeah, it's another video. And and thank you so much for 176. Awkward silence. I'm cold. And today I'm going to be showing you guys here. I have nothing else to say in this video, I guess. Okay. Bye. Okay, sorry about that. I just didn't have a clue what to say, and I still don't have a clue what to say. And now we're going to do updates, even though I've done updates, and I spelled hair wrong, because I'm weird like that. Or maybe I'm gonna make some I don't know, with this load. Right. It's loading forever. Right, I need to refresh. Be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I have refreshed, and I think Kitty has too, so she'll be on in a minute or two. So yeah, updates. Okay, let's read the news. When the news loads. Okay, the dare hair. Now I'm not gonna read you guys that because I did a video there of it. Okay. Gingerbread houses. I just said houses. Gingerbread house. Why not host a few sweet parties in your own gingerbread house then? Well, AJ, because it's 5 diamonds. And that's a lot for a den. And I don't want to waste my diamonds. So no thanks. Pet reindeer have returned, but only for the Jam Holidays. They can be found both in Jamar and in the Jam Holiday Jam. Lovely. Jam Holiday gifts that are 1 diamond each, which is crazy. And that's about it. Did you like my updates video, Kitty?
It was okay.
I'm still recording, by the way.
I know.
Okay. I might do mail time in the next video, so watch the next video, because if you don't, you guys gonna make me and Kitty cry.